Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine. What are you doing here?
I am waiting for my brother. He is late today.
Oh, I see. Where is he coming from?
He is coming from school. He had an exam today.
Really? What subject was the exam?
It was an English exam. He was a little nervous.
That's normal. Exams can be stressful.
Yes, but he studied very hard. I think he will do well.
That's good to hear. What do you do while waiting?
I usually read a book or listen to music on my phone.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks and short novels. They are relaxing.
I like stories too. They help me learn new words.
Yes, reading is very helpful for improving English.
I agree. Do you practice English every day?
I try to speak English daily with my friends.
That's a good habit. Practice makes us better.
Exactly. Oh, look, my brother's coming now.
Great. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.